Engine running.
1961. The Russians had put the first man in space.
Great success in space when the Russians pushed a man across the threshold.
The Americans are caught napping.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
A challenged NASA was in desperate need for data over South Asia, with Pakistan's President Ayub Khan and his scientific advisor Professor Dr. Abdus Salam present in the US.
Splittering gala is a fitting climax to his Washington visit.
NASA cashes in to explore Pakistan's interest in space.
Professor Salam, who was very fond of Punjabi, he looked at me and he said, कि भाई तारिक की ख्याल है कि तारिक, what do you think? So I said that this would be our dream come true.
Thus began the journey that created history.
In the beginning, we resisted. Okay, we are in nuclear engineering, we don't want to change.
Wallops Island was a new experience for both sides.
Oh, where are you from? Pakistan? Okay. चुप कर जाते थे. फिर अगले दिन आते थे, oh, I saw it in the atlas where Pakistan is.
Meanwhile, back in Pakistan, it was a different story.
फौरन ही नेक्स्ट डे मुझे सोनमियानी बीच जाना पड़ा था to establish a weather station there. And there was nothing else. कोई चीज़ दूर दूर तक नहीं थी, सिर्फ समंदर की लहरों की आवाज़ें आया करती थी और वो बैठ के हम गिना करते थे.
But it's not long before Sonmiani Beach is buzzing with activity.
I must say कि दिन रात काम करते थे. रात को कभी जा रहे हैं कि यार ये काम रह गया जाएं.
It was hard going, but the team was single-minded.
सोनमियानी में उन दिनों जून की बात है, तो आप अंदाज़ा कर सकते हैं कि कितनी गर्मी थी.
Though a desolate and dangerous area, the team remains undeterred.
अगर आप वहाँ पे गलती करेंगे तो I would have been blown to pieces.
The objective is clear, but success was at the mercy of nature.
ये दरअसल ये जो तजर्बा था सोडियम वेपर एक्सपेरिमेंट, उसके लिए एक बड़ी शार्प विंडो है.
तो बाद का तो हम सारी रात तक हम खड़े रहते थे वहाँ पे, इंतज़ार, हर चीज़ तैयार है, सिर्फ बटन दबाने की देर है, लेकिन वेदर क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है.
Finally, the team's resilience and hard work pays off.
और जनाब, बड़ा रात दिन काम करने के बाद 7 जून 1962 को पहला पाकिस्तान का साइंटिफिक रॉकेट लॉन्च किया.
The world is in awe and disbelief.
And Blizzard said, Erzal, why do you say that? I mean, Tariq is here, he's telling us about it. Erzal's answer was, Turkey has not done it. How can Pakistan have done it? Only a 5-member team. And none of the other countries have done that pioneering work with 5 members.
The story of the Fantastic Five comes alive in Rehbar 1, Pakistan's journey into space.